I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Highs remain mostly in the 70s all the way through the weekend. Low 80s expected on Sunday over southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas. On the backside, a strong low pressure over North Dakota and Minnesota. West to northwest wind gust of 35 to 45. Once again tomorrow, increase our fire concerns to near critical levels. The highest fire concerns over southern Nebraska to northern Kansas. As low pressure lifts northeast out of the Four Corners, chances of occasional thunderstorms return for Saturday night into Tuesday night. Those thunderstorms more likely Sunday night through Monday night. Could see some strong to severe storms. The Storm Prediction Center currently indicates the best chances of severe storms are from south of I-80 to Kansas late Sunday and Monday. Breezy south winds boost our highs into the upper 70s to the mid-80s for the warmest day of the next week on Monday. Highs drop back into the upper 60s to the mid-70s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Latest long-term forecast trending a little warmer, especially as we get closer to Memorial Day. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures likely to be seasonal to slightly cooler than normal the mid to late parts of next week before an outlook of seasonal to slightly warmer than normal temperatures Memorial Day weekend through May 28th. Middle of next week, rainfall for Nebraska and Kansas near normal to slightly above normal. Late next week through May 28th, below normal rainfall indicated for Nebraska, while Kansas sees near normal rainfall. In the regional drought monitor, there continues to be no drought-free areas in Nebraska. Moderate drought is over far southwest Nebraska, right along the Kansas border, the east, and Cherry to Rock counties. Coverage of severe drought is growing and now includes locations of central Nebraska to the southern panhandle, north, and just south of I-80. Extreme drought grew in coverage by 5 percentage points to 13% of Nebraska, including areas from Neely to Ord, a small part of the southern panhandle, and the northwest panhandle. Kansas decreased 2 percentage points to 16% drought-free. Most of Kansas is drought-free to abnormally dry. 37% of Kansas continues in mostly moderate drought, including Oberlin to Norton and Hoxie, Smith Center to the northeast corner, along with Emporia to Great Bend and much of southwest Kansas. Key weather factors affecting the markets include improving rain chances across the northern half of the U.S. after good planting progress, dryness returning to western areas of the southern plains, and patches of dryness in China and Australia. Low pressure over the north central U.S. drifts eastward, reaching New England by Sunday. Additional rainfall could total 1 to 3 inches in Minnesota and the Dakotas. A second storm closely follows with a new round of rain across the northern and central plains early next week, sparking scattered to widespread severe thunderstorms, especially beneficial after good planting progress. Western wheat areas of the southern plains less likely to see rain with the possible return to dryness. Weekend frost should affect parts of the northern plains and far upper Midwest. In China, central portions continue to be the greater concern, with dryness stressing wheat in the reproductive to filling stages and some corn and soybean areas that were recently planted. Northern China better off with more timely rains. Australia's wheat belt likely to continue with below normal rainfall. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.